Hi, I'm Mr. VR Iyer from Atlas Advertising Mumbai. Welcome. We have developed a new product known as Ivish Digital Waterslide Transfer Paper for candles. This product is very useful for DIY, that is do it yourself, where this paper is to be laser printed in our special coated paper, which is in transparent as well as white coating. The transparent one is being used for light candle and the white coated ones are used for dark candles, maybe red, green, black, blue. These coated sheets are available in A4, A3, which are standard size, as well as a commercial size of 13 by 19 blank coated sheet. In these blank coated sheets, designs have to be assembled in the sizes available and laser printed through any of the laser machines commercially available in the market. Now I'm going to demonstrate our Ivish Waterslide laser paper, which is going to be printed in Xerox Versant 180 digital printer. Now the quality of the print taken in Xerox Versant 180 digital printer is this. This is straight printed. The designs have been assembled accordingly and taken in this Xerox machine. You can see the quality of the print. Now I am showing a demo of how this is to be applied after the print has been taken in the Xerox machine. Just see the quality of the print. Now how this is to be done I am showing. As this is a clear coated sheet, now we are going to place this in a bowl of water. This is no special water, it's a normal water. We are just going to place it. Now as soon as the water gets absorbed into the paper, it will curl itself, and the moment the water is absorbed properly, it will straighten. Now this has straightened out. We'll have to jerk the excess of water and see, this can be slid like this. See, the film formation is clear. Now we are going to take wax candle, pillar candle, and showing you how to apply. See, like this. This is being applied. Once this is applied, now for few seconds you can locate wherever you decide. It may be down, it may be up. You can locate it. Once this dries off, the water below the ink film dries out, it will not move. So before that you will have to do. Now take a cotton cloth, dip it in water so that no abrasion takes place in the ink film. See, slowly hold this and slowly we can remove this. There should be no air bubble entrapment, So that is the reason this is being cleaned properly. Once with wet wipe is over, then we'll take a dry cloth, again clean it. Now this is ready for this thing. Once the water has dried, maybe in 6 to 8 hours, then it is ready for use. Again, I am going to give a demo with the white coated sheet which has been laser printed, just to show you how this also works. This is particularly meant for dark candles. As I told you, red, blue, green, whatever color is there in the candle. I'll show you how it will look. See, again this laser transfer paper water slide is just placed like this. The water will start absorbing. The moment water absorbs, the paper will get it curled. Then now it will straighten out after some time. After the water slide paper has straightened out, we will see the ink film about 1 to 2 mm is outside the paper. We are just sliding out outside the paper. Now I will take this candle. This is white coated sheet, hence the print is going to look white. This is meant for dark candles, like this. Now again I will take the wet cotton cloth and remove the excess water. We'll take a dry cloth and remove all the air bubbles as well as the water which is either trapped below the ink film or from the top. Now you can see the inks are vibrant because there is a white coating. This coating here is white coating. The inks are, the print quality is much better comparing to the transparent layer. I'll show you the transparent layer also. Just see this. If you like the video, do like it and subscribe our channel.